Today I have a video that's a little different from the cinematic drone videos and tutorials that I usually post. This is a video about an extremely ignorant drone pilot named Giovanni Lucia. Giovanni captured some very illegal drone footage in Detroit, Michigan. This is something that a lot of people in the drone community are very upset about. Not only is this footage reckless and dangerous, but it's also a major reason why we're seeing things implemented like remote ID. So we're gonna take a look at Mr. Giovanni Lucia's video from the Blue Angels Flyover in the city of Detroit, which took place on, I believe, May 13th or May 12th, one of those dates. So this video footage is fresh and it's coming straight from his drone. That is why this video is so reckless, because he's flying a drone near manned aircraft, and not only near manned aircraft but military aircraft. Just wait till you see how close, how incredibly close he got. Wait till you see this one. This one just takes it all. Let me just say, how stupid can you possibly be? I mean, first of all, drones have wide angle cameras. Look how close he is to these aircraft. I mean, this is so reckless and so stupid. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I always follow every single regulation that the FAA has made. I stay below 400 feet. I'd never fly near manned aircraft. I do everything I need to do. And then when you see guys like this make videos like this and then post them on Facebook, I mean, this was his Facebook status in a drone group, which, to be honest with you guys, if you're in the drone community, these groups are monitored by the FAA. You're gonna post stupid stuff like this. You're gonna ruin this amazing hobby, and for me, lifestyle, because this is what I do for a living. You're gonna ruin it for everybody. You're gonna ruin people's livelihoods. You're going to ruin people's hobbies because you're selfish and you don't bother to pay attention to the rules that most of us do follow. So I just wanted to make this video. In the description below, I'm going to leave a link to Moss Photography. Vic Moss posted the video on his YouTube page, so I'm gonna leave it there. You can go to watch the whole video there uninterrupted. And if you would, please make sure to report this guy, Mr. Giovanni Lucia, to the FAA, and let's not let reckless people in the community get away with stuff like this, because this is just gonna hurt the rest of us. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I would love to say like this is really cool footage, but I think it makes me angry more than happy to see it. And I think that a lot of people in the drone community are more angry than happy to see this footage as well, because we know that this could affect our futures with being able to fly drones in the United States. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Definitely check out some of my cinematic videos and tutorials if you're into that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.